Hi guys, today I want to talk about the difference between sound and light waves. So sound waves are a type of mechanical waves or matter waves. They are longitudinal waves. Obviously, they carry sound energy and they produce sound. Sound waves travel through solid, liquid, or gas, but not a vacuum. Please remember that they do not travel through a vacuum. Its speed increases as the density of the medium increases. In other words, that means sound waves travel fastest in a solid and slowest in air. Energy of a sound wave is related to the amplitude. The higher the amplitude, the louder the sound, and the more energy carried by the sound wave. Frequency determines the pitch of the sound. The higher the frequency, the higher the pitch. Light waves is a type of electromagnetic waves, which means that they can travel through solid, liquid, gas, and vacuum. They are transverse waves. They carry light and electromagnetic energy. They produce light. They travel through solid, liquid, or gas and a vacuum. Its speed increases as the density of the medium decreases. So it means that light waves travel fastest in a vacuum and slowest in a solid. Energy of light wave is determined by the frequency. So the higher the frequency of the wave, the more energy carried by the light wave. So this is a picture explaining the transverse wave and longitudinal wave. The transverse wave is basically waves with up and down movement. And longitudinal waves is like a slinky. The energy is passing like this, but transverse waves, the energy is going up and down, up and down. So what makes sound? So it's the vibration that makes sound. A vibration is a back and forth movement of something that's really quickly, in simple words. Um, when the air drums vibrate from the incoming sound waves, these vibrations is sent through the ear and then into our brain. So and that's why we can hear sounds because of these vibration. So the speed of the sound depends on the medium. Sound travels fastest through solid because in solid the molecules are closer together. They are very tightly packed. So that means if the energy is here, it can travel very fast because they're so close. They can just go. The energy can just pass really fast because they're really close together. Sound waves also travels faster at higher temperature. Temperature affects the speed of the sound. Heat is a form of kinetic energy. Molecules at higher temperatures has more energy and they vibrate faster when they have more energy. This allows sound waves to travel more quickly. Please do remember that sound waves need particles to travel. Sound waves can only travel through matter because they are mechanical waves and they cannot travel through a vacuum. So let's take a closer look at the amplitude. Amplitude measures how much energy is in the wave. So if there's a higher amplitude, then there's a larger sound. On the other hand, frequency is pitch is determined by the frequency. The higher the frequency, the higher the pitch. The lower the frequency, the lower the pitch. Please do this short quiz about what you learned today. Please pause this video before moving forward. Here's the answers. Did you get them all right? Frequency determines the pitch of the sound. Amplitude determines the loudness of the sound. Please do remember these two. They're really important and don't get them confused. Sound travels fastest in solid because solids are packed very tightly and enables molecules to vibrate. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please comment below on what you guys are learning in science 8th grade right now, and if you guys are learning the same thing as I am learning. Thank you so much for watching.